Hello and welcome to Fit Be Well Recipes. Today let me take you to the world of flavorful Indian cooking with a modern twist. We'll explore the delightful journey of stuffed capsicum aka Bharwa Shimla Mirch and discover how we can elevate this traditional recipe using an air fryer. Traditionally, stuffed capsicum is made by stuffing a tasty mixture of spices, vegetables and sometimes meat into hollowed out bell peppers. It's a cherished recipe in our Indian households, passed down from one generation to the other, with each family adding its own unique touch. Now, with an air fryer's rapid hot air circulation and unique capabilities of cooking, it offers us a great opportunity to explore a fantastic variation for our bharwa capsicum. So let's start and look at the main ingredients. We'll need 2 large boiled potatoes, around 100 grams of boiled green peas, 2 large uniformly shaped capsicums, about 1.5 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and around 100 grams of finely chopped onions. Now in a kadhai or a saucepan, add about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Let's add a pinch of hing, which makes all the difference in bringing about an aromatic flavor. And as the oil heats, it's time to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. And when this starts to splutter, let's add the chopped onions. We are nicely sauteing the onions till they are turning golden brown. Now here goes the ginger garlic paste. Let's continue to saute on a medium flame, and in the meanwhile we'll mash the potatoes and peas. They seem mashed enough for a good stuffing now. We'll add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, raise the flame to medium and add the mashed peas and potatoes. Here goes a teaspoon of garam masala. You can add some chili powder according to your spice preference. Well, I personally don't like to keep it too spicy over here. You can also use amchur powder in place of chaat masala if you want. It's about time we add some salt. I'm finishing the stuffing with some kasuri methi. You may replace this with coriander leaves or dhania. Now that the stuffing is ready, let's prepare the capsicum too. You need to cut the top part of each capsicum along with the stalk like this. And now let's preheat the air fryer at 110 degrees Celsius for just 5 minutes. Let me quickly pack the stuffing into these capsicums. Make sure you're filling this up to the rim like this and flatten the surface with a spoon to make it just compact. Okay, here our air fryer has also preheated and is ready for the final cooking. I'm gonna grease the basket with just a little bit of oil to avoid sticking and burning. Next, we place these stuffed bell peppers into the basket carefully. Let them be upright and not bend in any other direction to ensure uniform and proper cooking of the whole stuffed capsicum. Now here for one of these, I have placed bits of cheese slice because my daughter likes it that way. Now this is also a suggestion if you don't mind hints of cheese here. The traditional Bharwa Shimla Mirch recipe involves cooking the stuffed capsicum on a stovetop or oven, resulting in a soft and tender texture. And making this in an air fryer gets us a juicy yet slightly crispier capsicum. So it's time for some air fryer action. And I'm cooking these at 110 degrees Celsius for 7 minutes. Seven minutes are over and let's get these crunchy and yummy beauties out on the plate. Please remember that air fryers typically cook faster than regular methods, and the exact cooking time will slightly vary based on the model of your air fryer and also the size of your capsicum. Here they are, and I'm gonna serve them for our evening snacks. Please note that these quantities of ingredients make 2 stuffed capsicums, so scale up according to the quantity you want. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching, and if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share it across with your friends. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay notified every time I drop a new video. Stay tuned for my next video, and until then, take care and bye-bye. And if you find my content worthwhile, you can also follow me on my website and my Instagram handle, which is in front of you.